I would say good morning, but it's not a good morning at all. When I read the headline, I almost had a heart attack. How can this be? It was such a young man and a good man, spreading joy and love to the world. And I mean lots of joy, and I mean lots of love. What can I say? The angels here on earth are devastated, but the angels above are celebrating with this great man. Anyways, take a moment to remember all the good things that he brought to our lives. And I'm really broken up about it. And for me, this is going to be a very bad day because I'm going to miss the conversations that I've had with this great, great man. And anyways, let's try to remember him for all the good things he'd done. And what a great, great person with a great channel and some great, great videos. I mean, really good videos. But those videos will live on, as all great things do from great men. The creator may not be here anymore, but those vids will go on and on and on. So please take a moment to think about all the good things from this great, great person. Peace out from Canada.